Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Telegram channels organized and easy to find, adding them to folders is a simple and effective solution. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add a Telegram channel to an existing folder so you can manage your chats and channels more efficiently. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version to ensure all features are available. Once you're in, head to your chat list and locate the channel you want to organize. Next, tap and hold on the channel. This long press action will bring up a menu with several options. At the top right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on them to open the additional settings menu. From here, select the option labeled Add to Folder. Telegram will display a list of your existing folders. Simply scroll through and tap on the folder where you want to add your channel. Once you've made your selection, the channel is instantly included in that folder, making it easier to access alongside similar chats or channels. Organizing your Telegram channels with folders helps keep your messaging experience streamlined, especially if you follow multiple channels or participate in various groups. You can create folders for different topics, workspaces, or personal interests, and add any chat, group, or channel to the relevant folder at any time. Remember, you can repeat these steps for as many channels as you like. If you ever want to move a channel to a different folder or remove it, just follow the same process. Tap and hold, access the 3 dots, and adjust the folder assignment as needed. That's all it takes to keep your Telegram channels organized and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Telegram experience.